The nice people at NICEC saw the video we did last year about their chairs and heard we were headed to Baja, Mexico for 6 months, and they were nice enough to send us 2 new chairs, the redesigned ultralight high back with the triangle base, to test them out. We loved the previous version and are excited to give the new chairs a try. The chairs are really easy to set up. They take about a minute from start to finish. They're ultralight, weighing just 3.9 pounds, and have an ergometric design that reduces pressure points, making them super comfy and perfect for camping, hiking, overlanding, and outdoor sporting events. We need chairs that pack up small, that are lightweight, durable, and most importantly, comfortable. Since we're full-time overlanding, the chairs see tons of weather: rain, sun, sand, and even cooler temperatures. And we open and close them a ton of times. For us, this is our everything chair. It's our living room chair, dining chair, office chair, beach chair, campfire chair. It's even our sofa. We've been using the NICEC ultralight high backs now for about 6 weeks in Baja, and we're in love. Over a 6-week time span, we calculate that we've used the chairs as much as most people would in 2 years. Check back in 6 months and we'll do a full review, letting you know how nicely the chair stood up to the wear and tear and weather of Baja. Subscribe to our channel to see all our adventures in Baja. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next amazing adventure.